Hi guys, so I'm in the Canary Islands, and the most interesting thing that I've seen here is these sand dunes. Can you see them? They're incredible. So basically, it's a UNESCO heritage site, and the myth is that when there's no rationality, like any scientist has been able to come up with as to why these sand dunes are here. But one of them is that when the continents actually split apart, a bit of the Sahara Desert moved away from Africa into the Atlantic Ocean, which is now the Canary Islands. And this is supposed to be a bit of Sahara. So actually, so the Canary Islands are part of Spain, but they're off the coast of Western Africa. So if you go west out from a little more north of Morocco, that's where these are. But aren't they amazing? I'm going to just show you guys some footage of this. So it's about sun. The sun is about to set here, and it's like, oh, it's breathtaking. Hola! Okay guys, so this is like one of my last days in the Canary Islands. This is my cousin Kamal. You've been seeing him throughout my travel log. He's driving us. We've rented a car, and today we're going to like this volcano crater in the Canary Islands.
26 miles, continue straight up.
That's our GPS. The cool part about this island is that there's the beach, then they have sand dunes, and they have volcanoes. So I mean, if you come here, there's a bunch to do. Just like if you don't want to just sit on the beach and like relax, like there are a bunch of activities. So we're going to are we doing a bit of a hike today?
We're doing a bit of a hike.
So it's about a 30-minute hike. So it's about a 45-minute drive.
Yep.
Yeah. So 45 minutes from where we are in Maspalomas, and we're going up north into the mountains. So stay tuned, and I'm going to be showing you the entire road trip there, and let's see how the volcanoes are. Okay guys, so now we're in the mountains, but I swear to God, it looks like we're going to Murray. Actually, the road to Murray is probably better than this road, but the view is unreal. Like, it's amazing. So guys, that is the crater of the volcano. And if you see closely down there, there are a few houses even inside the crater. But yeah, that's so beautiful. Over there is the golf course. Wait a second, let me show you guys. There. Right there. That is the place we're at. That is the town's beach here. And actually, let me guys show you guys the vineyards. So, यहाँ की land is apparently very, very fertile. So, those are the vineyards right over there. Can you see them? I don't know if you can. But वो रहे. All those slopes are the vineyards.